Hi everyone, I'm Katie, the organic esthetician. And in today's video, I'm gonna walk you through an RMS morning and evening skincare routine. Your morning skincare routine should always start with freshly cleansed and hydrated skin and finish with the nourishing facial oil. I love using our beauty oil because its blend of organic and well-crafted oils are packed with antioxidants and vitamins that help protect the skin from environmental stressors. All you need are 3 to 4 drops of oil for your face, neck, and chest. Press it into your skin and then smooth it out over the surface. Applying a facial oil in the morning is a fantastic time to do a little facial massage as well. I recommend starting with some slow pumping downward movements to help detoxify and depuff the face, followed by a few lifting and sculpting movements to contour. Don't forget your lips. Finish your morning skincare routine with a quick application of daily lip balm and Simply Cocoa. Now your skin is perfectly prepped to apply Uncover Up Concealer or Uncover Up Cream Foundation. Your nighttime skincare routine should always start with a deep and thorough facial cleanse to remove anything sitting on the surface and finish with a nourishing facial oil application. I'm going to start with a pre-cleanse to remove my eye makeup and my lipstick using our Ultimate Makeup Removal Wipe. These are cloths saturated with our organic, raw, unrefined coconut oil. Next, I'm going to do a thorough cleanse using our raw coconut cream. So this is 100% organic, raw, unrefined coconut oil. It's antimicrobial and antifungal, great for even the most sensitive skin types. Not only am I able to remove all of the dirt, debris, sunscreen, makeup, and impurities that are sitting on the surface of the skin, it'll help to nourish and hydrate the skin while I'm cleansing, which works to support the skin's natural barrier function. A little bit goes a really long way. You're gonna work it into your fingers. It's gonna melt with the heat from your hands. You're gonna apply it to dry skin. Once it's applied, spend a few minutes working it in to thoroughly cleanse your skin. Once you've finished working in the coconut cream, remove it using a warm washcloth. You'll finish your nighttime skincare routine with the application of a facial oil. While you could use our beauty oil both morning and night, I absolutely love our Cockadoo Evening Beauty Elixir because its living ingredients help support the skin's natural biological functions while you sleep. It has vitamin C rich Cockadoo plum oil, wild-crafted buriti oil, which has the highest natural concentration of vitamin A of any plant oil, super antioxidant CoQ10, and our proprietary adaptogenic herbal blend that helps hydrate the skin and increase collagen and elastin formation. 3 or 4 drops are all you need. Work it in your hands and press it into your skin. Again, this is a fantastic time to incorporate a little facial massage into your skincare routine. Facial massage not only helps to increase the penetration of the facial oil, but it also increases microcirculation, which helps to oxygenate and nourish the skin. Your skin is the largest organ in your body, so it would make sense to apply skin care not just to your face, but to all of your skin. I like to incorporate our beauty body oil into my nighttime skincare routine. This has all of the amazing ingredients that are in our face beauty oil, along with our organic, raw, unrefined coconut oil. And lastly, your lips are the only skin on your face without their own sebaceous glands, so it's up to you to keep them hydrated and moisturized. Applying our daily lip balm and Simply Cocoa is a great way to wrap up your nighttime skincare routine.